It is another scorcher again today. It's not quite up to 30 yet, as you can see, but it's early yet. So we're off out again today. It's another sociable day with other home educating families. On the menu today we have slime and blowing bubbly froth things with socks and empty bottles and bubble mixture.
Sounds fun.
On the way we're going to use the time by doing a bit of literacy work. Isabel's just working on structuring writing and I'm going to edit. It's important to keep hydrated in this hot weather. We've been having Mission Hydrate ongoing in our household at the moment, haven't we? We are trying very hard to remember to drink plenty of water, especially in this hot weather.
It's hot.
Yes. Izzy's got her slime on the go. She says she's got to knead it for a bit, simply to get some air into it, I suppose. Izzy's memorised the ingredients. Could you tell us what it is?
It's made out of... glue, shaving foam, borax, and bicarbonate of soda.
Cool. A bit of paint?
Yeah, a bit of paint with colour.
I've just been put in charge of a job here. I'm going to encourage kids to experiment mixing some strong white flour with this concoction here, which is a bit of warm water with some yeast in it and a tiny bit of sugar. Ah, the yeast is getting impatient for the experiment to start. I've put it in the bowl. Izzy's slime is coming on well. Did the kneading work?
Yeah.
Oh, it's fantastic.
And now everybody's asking me for advice.
Well, that's good. Oh, here's Eddie's slime. That's very good. I'm impressed with that one. Oh no, the yeast is getting out of control. The slime is getting out of control. It's getting crazy in here, people. Oh, it's erupting. So I think we can conclude here, children, that gas is being produced. That fly fancies a bit. I seriously need a child helper soon because the yeast is now running down the side of the cup. I've transferred it onto a plate here. I've had plenty of assistance. It's going well. Izzy's now been labelled the slime queen, as she was the first one who was able to successfully get it to the right consistency. Izzy's mixed a couple of colours together at the end here.
It's really cool.
Lovely marbled effect, isn't it?
Yeah.
When experiments collide. We totally heard the ingredients wrong. It was not borax. It was Optrex multi-action eyewash, and we've run out. And now a few other children have turned up and they're eyeing up the slime admiringly. So I've nipped out to see if I can find some more of this stuff. Yahoo! I've got it. £4.5, just in case you want to try it at home.
There's a cup on the counter up there.
Just a bit of a cheese roll there. The slime lives on. Isabel's gone for mega slime.
I just made like 4 different batches so I can bind them. To mix them all together.
Well, that was fun. We're off on our travels again now for the rest of our day. We have quite a collection of different slimes in various freezer bags in this trolley. Hopefully they're going to stay contained in the bags. It's the evening now. I'm back home. We had a brilliant day. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to give the video a like if you liked it. Helps the channel to grow. Comment down your thoughts below. Have you ever made slime, and do you have any interesting tales to tell about it? And don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to follow more of our adventures. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!